Cardano projected to skyrocket past $1 price in January as ADA faces resistance after record highs. Cardano, ADA, recently achieved a new yearly high after experiencing a remarkable surge of over 150% in 2023, tapping a yearly high of 67 cents for the second time last month. Notably, this surge aligns with significant growth in key components of Cardano's ecosystem, with the top decentralized exchange, DX, Shibaswap experiencing an astonishing 26,000% increase and attracting a substantial number of new users. Similarly, JPG Store, the leading non-fungible token, NFT, trading platform on Cardano, observed a noteworthy rise of 16,540 new addresses during the same period. Despite facing regulatory hurdles, such as being labeled a security by the US SEC, Cardano's appeal persists due to sustained developmental efforts. However, as cryptocurrencies globally take a breather after an energetic quarter, questions about whether ADA can surpass the 67 cents resistance have arisen. According to crypto analyst Luxide, Cardano is at a critical juncture, with a resistance zone identified between 60 cents and 67 cents. The pundit presented two potential scenarios for Cardano in a recent YouTube video. The first anticipates an upward surge into the 70 cents range, a level not seen in about 17 months. The second scenario envisions a potential crash to 40 cents. The pundit's analysis, however, leaned towards a positive outlook for 2024, highlighting what he called a convergence of several things, including the recent price test of the 20-day moving average, which is still ascending. Elsewhere, renowned analyst Dan Gambriello recently delved into the intricacies of Cardano's market dynamics, using it as a representative case for altcoins. In a Friday analysis, however, Gambriello underscored Cardano's dependency on Bitcoin breaking its bullish market door to make any significant move. In an earlier analysis during the week, he highlighted ADA's breakout attempt from a crucial symmetrical triangle, a development eagerly waited for weeks. Gambriello detailed this breakout, projecting a target of 80 cents. The analyst, however, pointed out the formidable obstacle presented by the 200-week moving average just above the current ADA position. According to him, the dual nature of this resistance serves both as a cautionary signal and, conversely, as a confirming indicator. He elaborated that if Cardano manages to reach 80 cents and surges through this substantial barrier, closing a weekly candle above the 200-week moving average would constitute a macro indicator of monumental importance for ADA. That said, having overcome significant challenges, the prospect of ADA retesting the $1 price level in the coming weeks or months seems plausible. Currently, the eighth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization trades at 60 cents, reflecting a 1.8% increase in the last 24 hours.